Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, today, I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker. He is providing $111 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $111 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Headway $111 bonus 2024 for your first steps in Forex. Get the real trading experience without personal initial deposits. We give you a $111 bonus to start your trading way successfully and without initial deposits. Along with the bonus, you also get huge opportunities for a whole week in the first trading experience in Headway. Get the bonus, meet the requirements, and share your impressions. Crystal clear start. Open bonus account. Instantly get your $111. Enjoy your 7 days trading. I want you to read "What's the plan?" section because it has all terms and condition about broker. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Disclaimer: I am unable to verify the legitimacy of the Forex trader or the bonus offer. Before investing in Forex trading, you should do your own research to ensure you understand the risks involved.